Hello, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye, Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. What will I say about today is the year 2016. I am not yet done talking on year 2016 about my love life to Alexander Gementisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First. So this is the continue when continuance of the continuation 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 on year 2016. So on year 2016, about the love life of myself and Alexander Metisa Jr. ko, also named as Manuel Quezon the First, me and Alexander Metisa Jr. ko, not sight each other. College degree, not sight each other, and then only on Facebook. And then the vibes of Alexander Metisa Jr. ko, year 2016, is already on papansin, tends to be noticed. So, during year 2016, tends to be noticed already is Alex Andiamitisa Jr. ko onto myself. Meaning of it, when I'm Konian that talks, when Alex Andiamitisa Jr. ko tends to comment on group chat on Orsted for fourth year high school Orsted, the vibes of Alexander Metisa Jr. ko on to writing is already wants to be noticed. Not sip-sip at the moment. I talk on English at the moment and then I am eating such this food. Uh, the wordings of Alex Jr. ko is already wants to be noticed of myself. Then, my feeling during that moment is parang ganon, such this, haganan, and then, parang, parang, ano, no, yung mata, ganun. Year 2016 it is, yung mata, lover ko, Alex ko, love life of myself is Alexander Tisa Jr. Colson as Manuel Quezon the First. Only one person and then two count of name. When me and Alex Jr. ko will be together, there is another name. Another two count of name of Alex Jr. ko on existence of myself. So, it is four name of Alex Jr. ko on my life. The other is Inchik. And then as well me. That is my first encounter. That is on my panaginip. I not know yet if it is will happen. That is my panaginip year 2015. So, the vibes of Alexander Mendesa Jr. ko year 2016, the effect of it on myself is, when it comes onto feeling, that feeling of my eyes being rolled, the description of it on why I talk on English. I'm not sip-sip damdamin. Kuya Michael is linger on my right eye. I not know why. Ano ko, linger, meaning to say, English siya ganon. I know how to speak in English. So, I will continue talking already. So, why? Okay. Wala next ka. That is on my life. For count of name is Alex Antimentisa Jr. ko. I am Connie Ann. This is Connie Antalanya Magnay Jimentisa Jr. Also named as Mrs. Connie Antalanya Magnay Quezon the First. What else is? Year 2016 is myself. The feeling when I say my pahayag, pahayag Tagalog word in English word, uh, on my self on this 7 year black magic. The vibes of Alex Jr. ko is wants to be noticed, and then myself is the feeling is not word linger. The feeling is Kuya Michael says linger. I feel scared. Hmm. Parang uh, sumusunod sa agos ng landi. Yun. In English, that is the feeling. Tagalog word. I not know the English word of it. Year 2016. Year 2016 it is. Ako niyan. I cite Alex Jr. ko comment on for Orsted. Then I read it. Then I feel such of what I say. Sumasabay sa agos ng landi. Parang ganun. Honey. Wait, yes. Taga English word. Honey. English word. Tends to just go with the flow of landi. Uh, Flirting. Such that. Year 2016. Kilig ako. Mayab. That is my that is my feeling during year 2016. And then, oh my God! Oh, wait lang. Grabe. Oh, cry! Cry. Mama, nakita mo yung charger ko? Pera mo ng charger. There is body movement year 2016 that I not I feel sensitive. Doon na ako sa loob.
Oo. Mamay sasakit. Alagaan yung sarili mo. Tapos mamay sabi mo, sakit ang ulo mo.
Sakit ulo to. Nahiya ako kay Kuya Michael. Pati niya next to. Boyfriend ko next to.
Ano yung pagkain ko, Connie?
Nandyan, Mama. Lagay ko na dyan. Nandyan. Year 2016. Year 2016, a body movement suddenly on myself. Body movement. It is a body movement of I not usually do. What it is about. Corina has a boyfriend. Isulan. Lawrence Isulan.
Nagulo mo itong isa?
No.
Ay, natin mo.
Corina, my younger sister, has boyfriend. Isulan, year 2016. And then, the description of their relationship is pataasan ng ere. An English word, their relationship is such as letter C, letter H, letter A, letter L, letter L, letter E, letter N, letter G, letter E. And their relationship. So when myself is at home, at house, what I am saying is the happening before it is happens. Excuse me, akin lang Alex ko. My boyfriend, husband, lover is my high school classmate, year 2008 onwards. Year 2016, Isulan and Corina tends to borrow my tablet. Corina borrows her tablet that I am uses. Then, when Corina returns it onto myself, I read their message to each other, I read their messages. How could I say it? It is sensitive. Lingers. Lingers is the colloquial word is pabebe. Lingers. Ay, mga ganun. Next is what myself is on talking is on how does exist those na I not usually do. I not know yet of who is that person. So, uh, year 2016, when I read the message, what I found is about loving of my younger sister and then Isulan, year 2016. And then, I talked to Isulan upstairs on the third floor via phone about the of what I read. After that, when I go down here at second floor, my self description, wait, my self description, self presence is not myself. Why? Because it is my first time, first doing that I search SEXPORN. I feel scared at the moment. And then, wait lang. I feel nervous at the moment. And then, uh, the word SEX, I never read that on my college degree or even on high school. The word, I not encounter it. That is why I know to myself that it is a doing of a specific person. As well as the word PORN. So what happened during that moment? My wait, my I not know if it is left hand or right hand tends to ikot-ikot. I not know. Ikot-ikot, circling. I not know that. And then now, mm, they tend to harass me. Year 2022, year 2021. I'm not childish. I am konian. What I say is I am pure. And then, uh, during year 2016, myself starts to eat chili. Chili? Chili. Oh my god. When I say chili at this talking of myself, I am wondering what is the connection of it on the circling, ikot-ikot, if if it is a specific situation. Ang weird nila. A bad person is bad person. Hmm. I not know who is that person. Next, what is doing of the person is chopsticks. Yeah, chopstick niya. Now I will talk about love life. But I'm not circling private part of body. I feel tense at the moment. And what else could I say on year 2016? I could not. Wait. Not circling. And then during year 2016, surroundings on my self-definition is they have their own body movement. And then what is new on myself year 2016 is going at mall. Mall goer is me. Oh, there is foreigner here at the Gig City year 2016. They is wearing white color shirt and not do circling. During high school, I already said that on my live video on Facebook. Leveling is the black magic. I not know on this year 2025. I need work, love, life, travel is me. Oh my god. I not do circling. Never. I did circling. And then I start already to talk. during year 2016 about me and Alex Jr. ko. And then, talking while my mouth is such this position. But on my inside of mouth, it is such this. Ladahala. Yung parang nagsasalita, such this position. Such this, I am talking. But when I talk, this mouth is such this. But during year 2016, when I talk on my mouth, it is such this. But I am talking inside. That is year 2016. The right eye says, because I read books daw. La! Wait. Mm, so, what else could they say? Year 2016, my panaginip is already flows, such as evening, and then another evening, panaginip, dream, another evening, panaginip, dream, another evening, panaginip, dream, such that year 2016. And then the right eye tends to imagine about situation. They have information of why, and then myself wants to talk about to focus on year 2016. Year 2016, I have no baby. What myself vibes is slim body, and then student is my thinking process. I am college degree student. Only such that is my vibes. Year 2022 is the existence of baby in this 7-year black magic. I want to focus on year 2016. What else? My vibes is loner on a situation of I not want on surroundings of person. Sometimes I am just on the corner of table on library, such as the socialization is not active. My college friends is on their own subjects matter. Ako niyan the talks, I talk on English dialecto. What else could I say? The imagination on the right eye is on body movement. And then sometimes may panaginip tends to right eye. Then being watch or being show on myself afternoon hour. Such that. Then myself vibes when there is imagination. I tends to be nobody, no other body movement but steady self. I am such that. I am on school during that year 2016. And then what else? Year 2016. Corina vibes. First count that I sight. Na she is sleeping, she is asleep, and then there is knife on under the bed on her bedroom. I not know what it means. Now what is being shown on my right eye is situation as well of Corina. Then it is during year 2023 on this talking to and this 7 year of black magic. Ang weird. The weirdness is uh, such this movement. Yan. Tapos such this. Parang ganon. And then it is a thinking process, a feeling, and then such as playing on life. That is what is being shown on my right eye when I talk such this. It is such as putting myself on busy mode, such that. Weird. Ah, the word interferes. There is bad person talaga. What else year 2016? Myself is talkative. The vibes of the left eye is such as hysterical over in parang I should be in here. I should be on the right. I don't where what to parang such that what to wear and then where to go at, what to drink, such that. Year 2016 on my left eye, self presence of myself, and then what to do, where to go at, whom to speak with, mga ganon. On that fast mode, such that. Year 2016, myself is being released, then such that. I put my on my on YouTube my camera video about love life. Kakaloka. Now my eye is on 8. May grabe. Weird. And then talking of myself is observation basis. My first talking is about Alex Jr. I already tend to stalker stalks him on Facebook. In there, what I first read is Ilocano, such as Cagayan or Ilocos. Wait, something is being returned on myself, on my eye. It is such as heaviness and then softness. It is always such that heaviness and then softness. Wait, I am blinking my eye because it is returning. Wait, unblink. Myself is being hurt in here. What else could I say? Ilocano, Charis. And then I tend to look on the face of mother of Alex Jr. ko, father of Alex Jr. ko, and then tita of Alex Jr. ko. Na during Alex Jr. ko birthday, year 2016, I read those Talking Talking. Oh my God. Real talk talaga. What else? I cite the tita of Alex Jr. ko comments on Facebook post of mother of Alex Jr. The Ilocano wordings is such as Facebook, uses of Facebook of a specific person, and then it is differs from year 2017 Bisaya mode of mother of Alex Jr. Oh my God! Wait lang, 2016 is I will talk. Oh, it is so ache. That, yeah, 2016 is I will talk. Ay, ilong ko. Maganda ko, maganda. I am pretty. Grabe. Ito. And then year 2016, uh, already flows on my mind about the feeling, love feeling to Alex Jr. It starts when it is returning on myself the memory. I not know what it means. It is returning on myself the memory. I not know what it is. At the moment I feel dizzy, headache. I will continue my live video, my camera video on other camera video because it is 39 minutes and 39 seconds. I need to camera video of myself because there is event on my life that what is mostly being target is the head. That is why I need to do live videoing, camera video. They is targeting the head eh. Limit to 40 minutes and 7 minutes.